Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sony headphones to your phone. First, make sure your Sony headphones are charged and powered on. Next, open your phone settings and turn on Bluetooth. Then, put your headphones into pairing mode. This usually involves pressing and holding the power or a dedicated Bluetooth button for about 3 to 5 seconds until an indicator light flashes. Finally, select your headphones from the list of available devices on your phone's Bluetooth menu to complete the connection. For an even quicker connection, many Sony headphones and smartphones support NFC or near-field communication. To use this feature, first ensure NFC is enabled in your phone settings. Then, simply touch the NFC logo on your phone to the NFC logo on your Sony headphones. Your phone will automatically detect the headphones and prompt you to confirm the connection. This method offers a seamless, one-touch pairing experience, eliminating the need to manually search for devices in your Bluetooth menu. If you encounter any issues connecting, don't worry, here are some troubleshooting tips. Begin by restarting both your smartphone and your Sony headphones. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve minor glitches. Next, go into your phone's Bluetooth settings and forget or delete any previous pairings with your headphones, then try pairing again. Also, ensure you are within a close range, typically about 30 feet or 10 meters, to minimize signal interference. Finally, check for any firmware updates for your headphones. To unlock the full potential of your Sony headphones, download the free Sony Headphones Connect app. Once installed, open the app and follow the simple on-screen prompts to connect your headphones. This application allows you to personalize your listening experience, offering detailed control over sound settings, such as the equalizer, and precise adjustments for noise cancellation. You can also access exclusive features, manage multiple devices, and ensure your headphones always have the latest software updates for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.